So
This
have you
conference
completed
will now
assignment?
be recorded.
All of you. I mean, except so they have their own reasons, right? Particular reasons. So for those, so we are excluding, but the remaining people who has time, right? So have you completed yesterday assignment? Just creating an inner class, calling it from so main class, right? Topic is what? Inner class, right? Okay, guys. See, I will ask. Okay. See, I have few people. I mean, they have really problems. Except that one, I can question anyone and ask you to share your screen. Okay. Again, I'm giving time to till Thursday. Okay. So few people's right. You have time. You should finish all of them. I don't know. I can ask anyone and ask them to share their screen. So I'm just planning to do this kind of thing daily for one person. I don't know to whom I can ask. That's what I'm my planning. Otherwise, you are not practicing. That's why. If you have really a reason, tell me, even individually or whatever it may be. But if you have really time, definitely you should practice. There is no other way. If you tell your problem, I can understand and I can clarify also. I can give suggestions also. But don't waste your time. Okay. Next, come. Okay. Let's see. Inner class, writing a class inside. Okay. So what is the use of what is the inner class? Forget about use. So inner class is used, not used, right? Inner class is nothing but a simple class. Okay, and we can write that class inside of another class. How simple it is. Let's write create. Sorry, this is main class. Okay, just I'm creating a simple main class, guys. Okay. And I'm going to write inner class. Public inner class means nothing but a normal class only. So there is no difference, guys. So you can please understand. Public class brackets. Okay. So this is my inner class. Next, public string public. Okay. So next, if you want, you can do whatever you want here. Okay, done. And if you want, you can create a method also. No problem. Public void method, like how you are doing for main class, same way you can do here also. Okay. We'll see later. Let's go to simple and then go to complex. Okay, this is simple inner class. Okay, and let's see one by one. First is what? Calling inner class inside of the main class, guys. Okay, calling inner class inside of the main class. How to call? Very important. How to call normal apex class? So same way we can call inner class. I mean to say how to call non-primitive data type. Same way we can call inner class inside of the main class. So now tell me, guys. One more thing, public. Okay. I'm not doing anything. Just simply I have created a class, guys, and you can understand. Simple class, easy to understand class. What is the mistake, guys? Return eight batch. Right answer. Okay. Now, how to call inner class inside of the main class? So, what is the main class? Except this inner class, all these are main class only. Class level variables and constructor method. All these are what? Main class things only. Even the inner class also belongs to this main class only. So now how to call? Yesterday I told, right? Can anyone say I want to call this class? That's it. Instantiation. So public class name. How you are calling normal classes, right? Non-primitive. Here you can instantiate. How many ways you can instantiate? Either class level or tell me, guys, or constructor level
Constructor level
or
or
method
in
level.
method.
Okay, method level only. Okay, right answer. Next, suppose. Now tell me, mm, you should tell me the order of execution, guys. That's why I have created this one. So can anyone say what is the mistake? What I have written, sorry. This is the mistake, right? Exactly. right answer. I thought to write inside of the quotation, but outside I have written. That is the mistake I have done. Nice. So next, so go through. I think I have added all the debugs, right? Nice. And here I forgot. Very nice. So now you can see, guys, here I have created a class and I have instantiated here, and you need to tell the order of execution about the debug logs, guys. Okay, I'm just going to execute the main class, and I want to test you. I want to test you. Just to tell me. So we have debug lines, right? Where available? Line number 8 is available. 11 and 20 debugs are available, right? Now tell me the order of execution. Just I have instantiated the class and I want outputs. Tell me first, what is the line? Debug lines only I want. I don't want anything. Order of debug lines I want. 2, 3, 15, 17, 22. One second, let me write it. 2, 3, 15. Okay, I can keep here, no problem in that case. So guys, can you see this chart? Are you able to see this chart, right? Everyone. Guys, I'm asking you. ఆ చార్ట్ కనబడుతుందా మీకు అందరు ఇచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ల చార్ట్?
No, కనిపించట్లేదు.
ఓకే. Okay.
20,
so
11, 8.
2, 3, 15, 2, 3, 20, 11, 8. Okay. Nice. Okay, let me start now. Let me explain. Attendee then 5, 7, 10, 7. Attendee, you have given 2 answers. Okay. You realize and you have given 2 answers. Okay. Enough. Okay. If you want, you can share. No problem. Let me start. When I execute this class, okay. When I execute this class, so what will happen? The class level variables will execute first. Okay, line number 2, line number 3, whatever whoever said line number 2, 3, that is the right answer. Next, from 3, what is this one? Inner class. So it goes to inner class over here. So in the inner class, you can see here again class level variables will execute. Line number 16, 17. Okay, whoever told 2, 3, so 15 right answer, and then 17 right answer. Okay, and then it goes to 20, right? So 20 also right answer. You have not mentioned 20, it's okay, I understand constructor you have given. And then so line number 22 also will execute, and then the class is finished. Inner class instantiation is completed, and it comes back to line number 3 again. And then so it came back to line number 3 of the main class, and it goes to main class constructor. In the main class constructor it is 5. Okay, method is what? 7. So where is this method? Get str method. Here it goes to 10. So 5, 7, okay, 10, and the debug logs are 11 completed. Method returns something. I have not taken the return value. Let's leave it that one. And 8. Okay, that's it. So 5, then okay, 5, 6, 7, it's okay, and then 10. Okay, and come back to 8. So that is the answer. Attendee, whatever you said, that is the right answer. You said then, right? Yeah, I thought. Okay, then that is right answer. So whoever said 20, 11, 8, let me check. Debug only we have told, right? Let me check the debugs. So first, these two will be called and it goes to inner class, and here line number 20. So Aparna, you said right, Win, you said that is right answer. A also you said right answer, okay? So line number 20. This debug is executed and it come back to again the main class, and it goes to constructor and it goes to this method and line number 11. So 20, 11 is the next. And once this is done, it goes to line number 8. So 20, 11, 8 is the right answer. Whoever told, that is right answer. Okay. All your answers are correct, guys. I really appreciate your efforts. 20, 11, 8. Okay. Done. Okay. Now tell me, 1 second. Just tell me only debug lines. I need only debug lines, guys. I don't want anything except debug lines. So that means you need to tell like 9, okay, and 21, 25, like that. Wherever I have added a debug, right? So you can tell that line numbers. What is the error? Instantiation semicolon. Wait, guys, it is not finished. Can you see full code, right? You can see. Now let me execute and tell me the answer. Now see the code thoroughly and tell me the answer. You have already given the answer. After that, I modified the code. Now type it. Okay. Nice. Almost we have received all answers, right? Then 20. I really appreciate your efforts, guys. Really, I'm so much of happy about your response. Okay, this is what I'm expecting from you. I think you are practicing well. If you are practicing, so you can achieve so many things. So you know, guys, have you seen Salesforce jobs in India? Have you seen more than, I think so? I have read 5.7 lakhs of jobs. So going to come in India, Salesforce jobs. And I have read somewhere else 13 plus lakhs of jobs. So I mean, going to come in India or worldwide or India. I have not seen, someone told, but I have seen. So in news, 5.7 lakhs of jobs. So all of my students should, okay, get those jobs, utilize that opportunity. Next, okay, let me then. So when I execute this class, okay, and what will happen? So many people say 2, 7, 8, 17. Okay, I want only debugs. So 25, 21, 7, 12. Okay, nice. Let me do it now. Class level variables will execute first. Okay, 2, 3. Then here there is no instantiation, so it won't go to class. Okay, next it goes to 2, 3, and let me write here 2, 3. Next go to 5. Okay, and it goes to 6, 7. And if you write a debug logs only here, debug logs only. So first debug log is what? 7. These are debug logs. Sorry, these are debug logs. These are lines. Okay, I'm adding both, guys. Okay, and next 7. Here also you can write 7. Then it goes to this one, line number 8. Now instantiated here. So then after line number 8, so it goes to inner class, and here line number 17, and the constructor will write so 19, 20. Okay, so I'm just skipping 19. Okay, 20, and in 20 what is there? This method is there, and here it goes to 23, 25, like that. Okay, this method it is called, and after that one it come back here, and then line number 21 is called. So 21 is called. So 21 is debug, right? I asked you to note it down. You can note it down here. So 7, 21, 2 debug logs is done, and once this is
25
done,
also debug.
25 also, right?
25 also
Sorry.
debug. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, 7, 25, 21, 3 debugs. This one and 25, then 21. Okay, so sorry here. So it is done. Then the runner class calling is completed, and it come back over here where you have instantiated line number 8. Again it come back to line number 8, and then so it goes to line number 9. So in line number 9, what is there? Get str method is there. So it is called this method. So line number 12 is called. Go here, line number 12, and line number 12 also debug, right? You can add, and it is written. The my method is completed, and then constructor is completed. So whoever told 7, 25, 21, 12, right answer. So many people told 7, 21, and Mahesh, just last one you have just little bit confused. Oh, 7 is right, but remaining things are wrong. Okay, 7, 25, 21, 12, right answer A. Pallavi, right answer. Aparna, right answer. Okay, Prasanna, right answer. 25, 21, SV, wrong answer. Win, wrong answer. A, right answer. Okay, attendee told something, right? 5, 7, 5, 7, 21. You have missed 12, 25, 12. Okay, something wrong, attendee. You have missed in between 25 to 12, 21 is there. Check it. Okay, so next, just tell me debugs only. Again, let me execute. Now tell me. 11, 25, 28, 11, 8. Okay, done guys. Right answers, whatever you said, right? So let me execute. Okay, right answer. So let me execute now. Let me show you. So when you execute the class level variables will execute. So so 2, 3 will be executed. 3, it is not instantiated. What is 3? It is a inner class. So it is not instantiated. So it won't be called. And then it goes to constructor. And that means 5, it goes to 6. And it goes to line number 7 method. So 7 means what is this method? Line number 10. It goes to from 7 to 10 and 11. So first debug is what? 11. Next it goes to 12. What is this meaning? Inner class instantiation is done. So variable assignment is done. So it goes to line number 16 from 12. And here class level variables will be executed and the constructor will be executed. And so my first batch M method will be called. Okay. So line number 20 is called. And it goes to line number 23 method. And it goes to here. So 25 debug is executed. Okay, line number 25, and the method is completed. Again it come back to line number 20, and from 22 it go back to 21. In 21 is the debug. I asked you to write, right? 21 is one more thing, and again so constructor is completed, so the class is completed. So the class is instantiated from line number 12 of the main class, and then it goes to line number 13. So it returned. So method is completed. So then from where the method is called? From line number 7. So it goes to line number 7, then it goes to line number 8. 11, 25, 21, 8 is the right answer. And once line number 8 is finished, the constructor is completed. So the class is exit from this one. It come out. What is the answer? Line number 11, 25, 21. So you said 26, 7, right? One line you have reduced it, but right answer. Okay, right answer. See guys, are you seeing others output or you are just thinking and telling? If I showed like this, you are telling the answers, right? Are you seeing directly and pasting or you are only seeing code and you are seeing the code and telling the answers?
No, sir, we are saying.
Yeah, you can honestly do it, guys. So it will be used to you only. Remember, not like school class, right? నేనేం మిమ్మల్ని తిట్టను అరవను కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్లు తప్పించిన నేనేం అన్నా కాబట్టి మీరు సొంతంగానే చెప్పండి. చెప్పకపోతే దెబ్బలు పడతాయి. అది స్కూల్లో, ఇక్కడ కాదు. Nice. I really appreciate. If you do like that, so you have a bright future, guys. Really. Track lo padtunnadu. Next. Okay, that's how we can call inner class from main class. Next. Calling inner class from second one is what? Tell me. You can tell. From main class, from different ways we have seen. Second one is what? Calling inner class
Outside.
What is the main class? Main class contains what? constructor, comma, method, and before that class level. That is completed. Next one is what? Outside, calling the inner class from outside of the class. So outside of the main class. Okay, let's go and call the inner class from outside of the main class. Create a second class. Guys, anyone have tried with 3 classes or 4 classes like that? You should try, guys. I told right as an assignment. Okay, this is the second class. Very nice. So now let's see, guys, how to call second class. Simply from, I mean, how to call this class from this class. Any one class from any other class, how to call. Now my requirement is I want to call this class. So here itself, from this class anywhere, either in a class level or in a constructor level or in a method level. But I want to call this class from my second class. Tell me, guys. You can call second class from first class also. That is your wish.
Instantiate in the second class.
Instantiate anywhere, right? Either a class level or a constructor level or a method level. So let's see, public, and what is the class name? Copy the class name. Okay. Either if you want, you can instantiate. Okay. Or if you want, you can instantiate from constructor or this one. Okay. Anywhere. Nice, right? Now I instantiated. Shall we play a game again? Are you interested? Even if you are not interested, I will ask you to play a game. Okay. Let's start the game. Check thoroughly. So let's see, guys. Now tell me the debug lines. Okay, I'm not interested in line by line outputs. and just tell me lines of the debug. Wherever system.debug is there, right? That lines only I want. Start thinking. And if you want me to go to first class, I will go to first class also. Okay? Because you need to see both, right? That's why. First, note it down these things, and if you ask me to go to first class, I will go, and after note it down. And if you ask me to come back to second class, I will come back again. Okay? Everyone is done with second class now for time being.
Yes.
Still, if you are noting down, let me know. Okay. Can I go to first class? Let's go. Okay. Everyone is done with the first class? Let me know. Yeah, started giving outputs, right? Everyone, are you done with the first class? Let me know. I can go to second class. I'm not hurry, guys. So you can tell me still if you are working in the first class.
Yeah, can you go to second class?
Let me go to second class.
Yeah.
Let me know if you are not completed with the first class. Everyone started giving answers, right? Nice. Ten, 7, 6. Almost everyone is giving same answers. Okay. Someone is asking to show me first class. Okay. What happened? Other people's? So many people joined, right? What happened to you? Only these people are giving answers always. What happened to remaining 40 plus people? Out of 63 people, only few people are joined. What happened to remaining 40 plus every day? I mean, do you have friends in our group, guys? 63 people are there. Daily they are not attending. They are going through the recording videos, okay, but or they don't have any, I mean, they doesn't have any questions regarding the development. I'm just curious about their mindset, guys. Just going through the recording video, I don't know whether they are practicing or not, and they paid money. If they attended and clarified and daily, so practicing the assignments, right? So that will improve their knowledge a lot. Even so, no one can give you a chance like this, guys. If you go to anywhere, like your parents only, so can do like this with their childrens, slowly giving us doing working like that. That kind of spoon feeding, I only provide. You can check anywhere in the world. No one can give like this kind of thing, step by step, one by one. But I don't know whether they are utilizing or not. Okay, done. So many people has given, I mean, we got all answers, right? Let me execute now. So what I have done, I have called this class, okay, and then line number 2 will execute from the second class, and 3 is executed. What is this one? Line number 3 is called first class. Okay, let's go to first class. October 13 is what? First class. It goes to first class. And now I'm noted down here, guys. Okay, here I can, let me note it down the debug lines. And in the first class level variable will be called, okay, and this is done. So this is what inner class, and we have not instantiated, so it will not execute. That means it will not instantiated. It is not instantiated, so it won't go to the class. Next, it goes to directly constructor and 5, and here it called get str method. In this method, I have added a debug line. So line number 10, okay, from first class, and once this is done, the method, where is this one? Yeah, it returns something 8th batch, and it come back here. So it go back to line number 6, and after that one, again in the constructor line number 7 is executed. So 7 is executed, and next constructor is finished, okay, and then so the class is done. It completed the class, and it exit from the first class, and it come back to line number 3 of the second class, and the class level variables execution is completed from the second class. Then it goes to constructor. In the constructor, so line number 6 is debug, right? Note it down, this one. And next, so here your batch count only, your 8th batch, right? Okay, and my second batch. So my second method, it called from line number 8 to line number 11, and here it goes to line number 12. So note it down, line number 12, and so it is finished. So the method is completed. Again, it come back to line number 8 one more time, and it goes to line number 9. So line number 9 also debug line, you can check here. Okay, once the constructor is completed, so the class will exit. It come out from that one, second class. That's it, guys. So whoever told 10, 7, 6, 12, I think 10, 7, 6, 12, 9. Okay, almost all people has given same answer, right? Okay, right answer, guys. I really appreciate. Okay, so when I started questioning you regarding the assignments and asking you to share your screens, right? So after that, I have seen so many people are started so working on my assignments, and they got, okay, improving. I mean, they are improving their knowledge, right? So that helped a lot, guys. So that's why actually I thought ask it starting of the development, but unfortunately I have not asked you regarding my assignments, right? Okay. However, I am planning to ask from Thursday onwards. So daily I can ask anyone. I mean, I don't know. I can ask. I can select so any one person and ask you to share the screens about your assignment. Just one assignment is enough to share. Okay. So that everyone can do my assignments. If you do, right, you can see the outputs like this. Okay, see the results how you are telling, because you are practicing nowadays. That's why. So you are giving correct answers only. Okay, next. Okay, that is also done. Now calling inner class from outside of the main class, right? Very nice. So I don't want now. Let's leave it. Now that is a recap. I have called what? This is what main class. This is already completed topic. I just revisioned. Okay, remind you. Now this is not my requirement. What is my requirement? So my requirement is calling inner class from outside of the main class. Okay, let's see here. This is my inner class, right? So now what is the syntax? Generic syntax is, okay, main apex class dot inner apex class name. Okay, so variable name equal to new, copy both main apex class. That means main apex class name. You should give main apex class name instantiate. That's it. Okay, so this is the syntax, guys. So now you tell me. I have given hint. See, in real time, what will happen? You know, if you Google it, someone gives some answers, right? You need to align that answers to your coding. You need to understand their answers and so merge that answers, right? So based on your requirements in your code. Okay. So to give, I mean, to achieve like that kind of thing, so if you want to perform like that kind of thing in real time, so you need to start working on so classroom also. Like now I have given like a generic requirement, generic syntax. Okay, based on this generic syntax, can you tell me how I can call the inner class from second class? Just read one more time syntax.
Main.
Main class name dot inner class name variable name. It is also non-primitive, so how I have called? Okay, forget about this one. Forget about this one. Even okay, simple to remember. We are human beings, right? We are human beings, and suppose you 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 have studied outside, okay, and you belongs to a village, and you belongs to a local village, okay, but you studied outside from childhood to now, and after 20 years you came back into that village, and everyone asking you who are you, who is your parent, who are you, like that they are questioning, right? And how you are saying, you are telling them that I am so and so person's children, like some Ravi's children, some Koti's children. Okay, I am Koti children, like that. That means what? You are representing your parent first, and then you are representing your name, right? That's a human being. Same way here also. Think main class is the parent, and inner class is you. So that means how we are representing the inner class from outside, your parent dot children. So same way, if you compare with human being, here also same only, guys. Okay, you can adapt like that so that you can remember easily. That's why. So I used to give compare with general. Okay, so human being scenarios with coding also. Now come to the point and let's see here. Now tell me, guys, class level variable I can't. I mean I want to do. Let's do quickly.
October 13th underscore inner class.
Public. Oh, you have
Public.
already written. Okay. And next, main
Dot
class I have written dot inner class.
my
So
inner
this
one.
is the class name, right? You can dot. Next, give any variable name, right? My wish. Okay. Next,
New.
new.
Main
Main
class name dot
You are working, right? Please don't
October
copy paste.
13th.
You are learning. This is the learning stage. So please don't copy paste like this and don't do like this. Okay. So how you can do? Again, you go back and copy like this. The benefit is you won't forget going forward. That is the benefit. So what is my inner class? Even don't use this one also. Like this, don't use also. Okay. Even they will provide, but don't use. And go to main class and do it like this only. This is the right approach to remember easily. Only for remember, right? If you want to remember, you can do however I said. And don't do like, so only real-time people can do like a copy paste like this, okay? But you are learners, so you should not do like that. If you do like that, you don't learn anything, you don't remember also. So many techniques are there to remember also. Just follow me. Okay. Now, are you ready to give debug logs line numbers? Let me do it now. Are you ready to play a game? Let's start. Let me know if I want to show first class. Might be here, you might get confused, right? Let me show you. Don't worry, guys. So some people will think, right? Okay, so this class is card, that means so definitely class is instantiated like that, right? So let me give example. For this, I will give example, and next, so you don't know. You can tell the answer next. So let's see what happened here. Line number 2 will execute. Okay, and after that one line number 3 is executed. So what is this? It is an inner class. Okay, directly go to inner class, line number 13 of the main class, and I have not instantiated so main class. I have instantiated only inner class. Remember the point. And go here. Okay, and so line number 14 will execute. Okay, and my first method will be called from line number 17. It goes to line number 20 and 21, 22. So 22 will be the first debug log, and once that is done, it come back to line number 17, and the next line number 18 will be called. Okay, and constructor is completed. So it exit from the inner class, that is done. Okay, and it come back to line number 3, and after that one, oh, you are giving answers, right? I really appreciate you guys. So that spirit I want. Next, constructor will be called, and line number 6 is executed. Okay, and then here 7 will execute, here 8 is executed, and from 8 to 11 it goes this method line number 11, and so line number 12 debug will execute. Okay, method is completed. Again it come back to line number 8. I'm giving answer, guys. Okay, yeah, and line number 9 is executed, method debug logs. So this is also done, finished. So whoever told these answers, that is right answer. You already given answers, right? Let me tell you. You can compare. So 22, 18, 6, 12, 9. Right answer 22. Almost all people has given. Okay, only 2 people has given 3. 22, 8, 16. Right answer. Okay, nice. So now you understand, right? If I let me show you the output. What are these? 22, 18, 6, 12, 9. Whatever we have given, right answer. Okay. Next. So now you
Hello.
tell me, this is game. Game starts
Hello.
now. Yeah. What is your question?
Well, yeah, like in the similar way, can we instantiate the main class in the inner class too? Like,
So here you are asking me, can I
no,
instantiate?
so when we go to the main class, like in the inner class, till now we didn't instantiate main class.
One second, please. Can you say it again slowly?
Okay.
One second.
So
I'm disturbing
here,
question.
okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you slowly. That's why I'm asking you to say.
Okay.
Say it again.
So here we instantiated the inner class, right? We didn't instantiate the main class.
Yes.
So
Okay.
when we instantiated the inner class, can we instantiate the main class in that inner class?
In that inner class,
Yeah. Can we do that? Like, just
you
a
are
question.
asking me
Here.
here, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Which main class you want me to instantiate? This main class, right?
This main class. Can we do that?
Okay. You can instantiate. But the problem is, yes, in real time, we used to do that instantiation. That is not completed, I will tell you. Okay. Even some conflicts also there. When you instantiate, you need to take care something also. That in tomorrow class, I will tell you. It is not completed. So in the class is not completed. Lot of things are there. But for your question, is yes, we can do. So, second point is we can instantiate from outside, right? Once this is done, so how to call class level variables inside the inner class also I will show you. And okay, and also how to call class level methods also I can show you from inner class also. And when you instantiate the main class in inner class, and also if you don't take care about the class, right, I mean some conflicts are there, that also I will tell you, it will loop again and again. So like let's say example, I call the main class inside the inner class, I mean to say instantiated, and again what I have done, so the inner class I have instantiated in main class. Okay, it will keep on loop. It goes to main class, it goes to inner class, it goes to main class, it goes to inner class. Like that conflicts also I will tell in tomorrow class. Okay, it is not completed.
Okay.
Variables so there, yeah. I'm going step by step, right? So once this is done, then we will go to that class also. That part also. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
Now
Thank you.
start the game. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Execute, and now you tell me the answers. ఆల్రెడీ టైప్ చేశారా? చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉన్నారు. అది మీరు డైలీ చేస్తుంటే ఇదే మీకు బెనిఫిట్. అందుకే మిమ్మల్ని గట్టిగా అసైన్మెంట్స్ చూస్తుంది స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి మరి. అవి టెక్నిక్స్. Let me know if I can go to first class also. Started. Wait, I have not showed you first class, right? You are giving the answers. Your memory is too high, looks like. రియల్లీ ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నారు అవన్నీ? అలా ఉండాలి. అంత మెమరీ ఉంటే మీకు ఏం జాబ్స్ ఈజీ వస్తాయి. నా ప్రతి బ్యాచ్ లో కష్టపడ్డ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి జాబ్ వచ్చింది. వెనక్కి తిరిగి కూడా చూసుకోలేదు. ఓ ఈ వర్క్ సపోర్ట్లు ఏం అవసరం లేకుండా చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు జాబ్లో. మీరు ఆ స్టేజ్కి రావాలని సో నేను గట్టిగా అసైన్మెంట్స్ మీ చూస్తుంది మీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ మీద. డెమో ఇవ్వమంటుంది, అవన్నీ రియల్ టైంలో ఉండేవి, అందుకే చేస్తుంది. యా ఓకే, So few people has given answers, right? Like 3, 16, 3, 13, 9. Okay, it's okay. Let me tell you the answers now. So when I call this class, okay, some person is asking first class. Okay, you can see now. Done. Okay. Okay, nice. Is it done? Okay, right? Tell me, guys, are we good? Can I start?
Yes.
Okay. Some person is asking, so that's okay. So let's see. When I execute this class, okay, so how it is going? The class level variable will execute, and this is what another class, inner class. But however, I have not instantiated. Okay, nice. Okay, and so it won't call the second inner class. Okay, next it goes to constructor, and line number 6 will be executed here. So debug log 6. Next it goes to here, and it goes to line number 8 method, and here line number 13 is executed. Okay, debug is what? Next debug is line number 13, and next, so the method is completed. It go back to line number 8, and again line number 9 is the debug. It executes. Okay, and the line number 10 it is executing. So line number 10 is what? We are instantiating the inner class of the second class, another class. So now it go back to inner class. So directly it won't go main class constructors, class level variables, it won't execute. Remember the point. If you are calling inner class only will be called. It's like if you are calling some, so parent is there in the home and child is there. You are calling child. Okay, that means what? So child only will come to you. Okay, parent will not come. Think in that way. If you call parent, okay, parent only should come. Okay, child no need to come, like that. Okay, if you call a person, that person only should come, other person should not come. Even though the other person is your parent, they should not come. So like that here also. Okay, so that means if you are calling inner class, means only inner class will execute and the main class will not execute. Think in that way. Okay, inner class. So let's see, inner class level variables we executed, as we said, as we discussed, constructor will execute, and here from the constructor my method will be called, and here in the my method line number 23 debug is there, so 23 will execute. Okay, from inner class, and the method is completed. It go back to line number 18, and then line number 19 it goes, and that is also executed, and constructor is completed. So it will exit from the inner class, and once that is done, so it go back to line number 10 of the second class constructor, and it come out from the constructor. That's it. So 6, 13, 9, 23, 19. So almost all people told same answer, right? Right answer, guys. I really appreciate, and you keep continue this hard work, daily assignments. Okay. So for today, so this is enough, and tomorrow we will see. So just half an hour is enough to finish. So inner classes, guys. Okay, and also we play a game with values also. Today we have not played a game with values. I have not asked you batch count these values, right? So tomorrow we will see so that values also. So today you have understand the flow, and tomorrow so you can give the answers here as well, and the remaining so few things are there, right? Within half an hour we can finish the remaining things. So then we go to logic. Okay, logics, like if, for, all those kind of things. And your assignment is okay, so work on, as I said, right? Okay, let me give the assignment. So your assignment is as I have given, right? Those 8 objects or 7 objects. So in those objects, let me tell you. Okay, so in those objects, take any 2 objects, as I mentioned daily, right? Take 2 objects, and one object data you can give in the main class, and another object data you can give in the inner class. That means create one object record in the inner class, create another object record in the inner class, I mean main class. Okay, and in the second class, okay, so create so the remaining 2 objects like that. Okay, like that. I think I have given 12 objects or 8 objects, I'm not sure, but go through that objects and do it. So like that, do one example, and in another example, so go to construct, I mean inner class. In the inner class, okay, from the constructor you can create one object record, and from the method, void method, you can create one more object, different object record, and create return type method also. So we have discussed all kind of methods, all kind of constructors, right? So what you can do is try to create different methods, and each method can create, okay, different classes also. Okay, I can review Pallavi tomorrow, definitely I can review. Already time is up, right? So definitely I can review tomorrow morning. Okay, so just remind me, and I will review your code, and I will help you if you do any mistakes also. Okay, so this kind of, okay, approach I want, guys. I mean this kind of enthusiasm and this kind of hard work I needed from your end. Okay,